What's going on, people? YPCRYPTO, I'm your boy Ant.
Chris. What's happening?
Yeah, so today we're just going to talk about exit strategy. So we're halfway through this bull market.
Yeah.
So I'd say we've got probably, another 10 months maybe, or 11 months?
Yeah, so if you're comparing the market cycles for crypto, for Bitcoin in particular, we compare it from after the halving. So in 2012, the halving was at November, I believe. November 2012, and it only lasted probably about 13 months to 14 months. The second halving, which was in 2016, went from July 2016 to January 2018. So what's that? It's July, that's August, September, October, November, December, January. So it's about 18 months, Right now, the last halving in 2020 was in May, and we're not even a year yet. So we're like only about 10 months into this after the Bitcoin halving. So there's still some time to run. If we go on we just take the two previous halvings and kind of like divide them, we technically have about 16 months till we see a bear cycle, the end of the bull market going into a bear cycle. So right now we're in March, end of March going into April. We technically have another 6 to 8 months left of this cycle.
Okay, cool. So Chris, with the remaining 6 to 8 months, what's the plan? What's your plan? What's your exit strategy?
Yeah, so guys, the exit strategy is I'm obviously going to try and stick to the cycles previous, because nothing ever repeats, but it does rhyme. And if it's happened twice before, they might happen a third time. So I'm kind of sticking to that 16 to 18 months time frame for this market to kind of go reverse from a bull market into a bear market. So I'm predicting for me to start exiting the crypto space around September, October. My strategy, so not necessarily like I'm breaking my coins into 3 categories: my non-negotiables, the believers, the coins I believe in, and the dump. I want the dumps, the dumps. So the 3 coins that the coins that I don't want to keep, I want to get rid of. So the non-negotiables are Bitcoin and Ethereum. Like when they reach a certain price for me, and that's about 200k for Bitcoin, and that's probably about 10k for Ethereum. At any point now, if it hits those prices, or if it gets to that 16-18 month period, even if it doesn't hit those prices, I'm gonna sell 50% of those, with the intentions though to buy back cheaper. Okay, because I do want to own Bitcoin and Ethereum, because over the course of the Bitcoin over 10 years, Ethereum over the last 5 years, they've just shown to go up. Even if there's been a bear market, they've always gone up. So I want to keep dollar cost averaging. I do want to buy a lot cheaper and accumulate more of those. So those are the 2. Those are my non-negotiables. My believer, so this is the coins that you believe in. So the the projects that you believe in, that you use, whether you earn interest, whether you use the product yourself, like if you use it on everyday life, and you believe in this project and you want to keep investing going forward, I'm gonna sell 75% and keep 25%, but with the intentions to buy back, but also dollar cost back in the future, because I do believe in the project. I want to keep reinvesting in it. So I'll sell 75%. Keep 25% at either my price target, or if it's like that 16 to 18 month period. The third is the dumps. Like I want to make profits from this, and I want to sell it into Tether or Bitcoin, and I want to. So these are my altcoins. Don't want to go into it. There's a few of them, but these are the projects that I want to just get rid of, make some profit from, and sell it. So those are the 3 categories that I'm gonna go with: non-negotiable, the believers, and the dumps. So you guys can do that as well. So what about you, bro? What's your exit strategy? What do you plan to do for the future for crypto?
I'm not selling.
What the fuck is it? Sorry, you cut that out, bro.
Yeah, I'm not selling. I ain't selling. No, I'm kidding.
You're going to the moon.
You're
going to the moon and to Mars. Going to moon, Mars, Jupiter. Do the round trip.
Yeah, I mean, just like you've taught me, don't fall in love with your coins. Do you know what I mean? Especially the altcoins. So my plan is to, obviously, I don't want to sell any of my Bitcoin, but if you're holding 1 Bitcoin and it turns 500k. You're not going to sell even a tiny bit, and you could have an opportunity to buy it back cheaper. Yeah. So my plan is to try to not sell my Bitcoin. I'll sell everything else and maybe keep 2 Ethereum down the line, just for the next cycle. But yeah, every week I'm gonna start selling bit by bit. So I've been buying bit by bit since May. So I want to sell bit by bit, probably start from May.
Yeah. So that's it. Yeah. So that and also guys, when we talk about selling our coins, for me personally, I'm looking to sell my coins into a stable coin, and the fact that, like I said, 5 years ago when I was in the space, there wasn't any of these products that are available now, like crypto.com, Celsius, even Binance. Binance was around, but the product of staking and earning interest on your crypto was never around. So the fact that I'm looking to sell it into a stable coin, into a Tether, a USDC, and I plan to stake that and earn interest and earn passive income. So I'm not selling it into that crap coin fiat. I'm selling it into a stable coin, and I'm going to earn passive income on these platforms, with the idea of obviously to dollar cost back into buying crypto at a lower price, or just earning passive income to reinvest in the stock market or reinvest into property, whatever it may be, guys, whatever you want to do with that money. But yeah, just the exit strategies, like just make sure you have a plan. Going forward, don't be left holding these cryptos, especially during a bear market, especially if you've bought and you've made potential profits. Don't hold it. Don't be those guys who hold it. Have an exit strategy. And that's pretty much it. So yeah, man, anything else?
No, it's all good. Yeah, so guys, just make sure you've got an exit strategy. Start thinking about what you're going to sell, what you're not going to sell.
Profit taking as well.
Yeah, always take profits. There's nothing, there's a lot of professionals out there. They always recommend that even if you take profit and it goes higher, at least you've taken some profits, because it could go south. So you could actually just watch it go high and it's never going to go down. And once it goes down, you're like, oh crap, I should have sold.
Yeah,
so
exactly.
but there you have it, guys. Make sure you look into this. Make sure you subscribe, and we're out.
Yep. Peace. Take care.